So, we finally arrived and welcome to Pocaragat. This is our room in Poracat. Hi, Lay.
Hello.
Wow, naka-hotel tayo.
Ang ganda ng hotel natin sa picture.
Ah, talaga ba? Maganda naman talaga siya in person. So,
Mountain view.
where's the mountain view?
See? It's like Baguio.
Oh! Wow! Asan ang mountain?
Amazing. How do you call it? See?
What do we have here? Let's see. Oh my God, guys! We have a terrace! Jesus Christ. So it's already 4 a.m. here in Pocarat. And it's currently snowing.
-3.
So yun lang, guys. We have a TV. Oh, let's check out the toilet. Hi. Ta-da! Okay lang. Good night!